The fuck is wrong with you,
Thomas,
bro?
you hit the dog. Go call 911
What
or
the
whatever.
fuck?
Go pick it up off the street, Thomas.
Pick it up. I want to eat it.
Is he okay? Is he bleeding? Is he bleeding out? I think he's bleeding out.
Hello.
Did you call the 911? No. You didn't?
Hello.
Call 911. He's bleeding, dude.
Let him bleed.
I can't call. I'm on Omegle. I can't call 911.
Let him bleed.
It's my dog, bro. Call 911. I don't know emergency service. Animals emergency service. I don't know. You hit him with your car, idiot. God, go. It's your problem.
Fucking do it!
I don't appreciate being talked like that.
Oh no, we weren't talking to you.
Not you, sweetie. Not you.
Dude, you hit the dog. Go pick it up off the street.
What the fuck is wrong with you, bro?
You hit the dog. Go call 911
What
or
the
whatever.
fuck?
Go pick it up off the street, Thomas.
Pick it up. I want to eat it.
In the ditch.
The ditch!
You hit a dog. You hit a dog, Thomas.
You killed him?
That was my mom bought my dad that dog. You just left on the road?
Can't you like bring it in? I want to eat it.
You're trying to make it not seem bad. You hit the cat. Is it still there?
I like penis.
It's still in the driveway. Thomas, go get a trash bag and, I don't know, bury it. You hit the cat! You hit the cat! You hit a cat! You hit a cat! Go bury it outside. What the fuck?
You guys are on something.
My stepmom will be home in like 6...
What the fuck, Thomas?
It's not a beach, it's a bathtub.
What?
Yeah, they're good at acting.
I'm not fucking acting.
Okay, whoa.
You killed my cat.
Thomas, we're just yelling at Thomas.
We're just yelling. I'm sorry, Thomas. Hello. Me no speak English.
He's a foreign exchange student from Spain.
Spain. Why so funny? What the fuck is that?
Alright, it's your mom. Dad!
Huh?
I'm a male too.
Male? Genitalia. What the fuck was that?
That was a he-she.
Than a penis person.
Yeah.
She saw it. You saw that it was like a girl and a guy?
Yeah. What's a guy?
Vote for Mike Bloomberg. Mike will get it done.
Vote. I'm not American, I can't vote.
Vote now.